Today's goal, we're continuing on the solar ground mount. In the last episode, I marked out and made the orientation of exactly where I'm going to place this. Today, we're going to carve out the footers and get the footers in place. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Now I'm going to start with the corner closest to me because this is the highest point and I'm going to have to dig out the most amount of dirt here. So we'll start here and then work to the easier section later when I'm tired. I have to get the roots out of the way. There's the first one for the first base, and it is dug out and level. And there's the mark for the second one that I gotta dig out. Okay, all done with the digging. You can see I have the trench there dug out, and two more. And then over there is just gonna be a fill. I've been using my water level here to move around to the different trenches. You put it in and then goes up and it levels out, and I can check the backs and front and make sure that they're level to each other. Pretty good. A little bit off. See if I can get this side down a little bit more. I have to make sure that I'm at least 22 inches from this edge because that's where the bolts are going to go for the solar panels, and I don't want to interfere with those. So I'm exactly 22 on this one. So to get it a little bit straighter, I can twist it just slightly. Also, this end was a little bit higher than that end. So let's see if I can get it a little bit lower. Still a little bit high on this end. So I might have to roll it and redo it. Roll it and get this end a little bit lower. But that's the idea. I'm going to keep at this. Don't fall in the hole. Yeah, that's gravel. See? This is 3/4 crush. It's hard to pick it up with your mitts. Yeah, you did it! Oh. All right, so the second timber and the third timber don't have to be in level. You can see that the third timber is higher than the second. And if we go over here and compare the first and second, the first is higher than the second. So since they're higher on both sides, I'm gonna go ahead and move timber number 2 and add more gravel underneath it. Okay, I got timber number 1, which is this guy, and number 2, level front and back and level with each other. So now I'm going to fill in around the timbers with some more gravel. So I'm filling in around the timber with more gravel. The foundation is done. This is going to make a terrific base for the solar array. These are used railroad ties. They probably weigh 150 or 200 pounds each. They are quite heavy. And I'm going to be strapping down the whole array to these, so they're going to help contribute to the ballast, to help weigh everything down so it doesn't blow over in the wind. And I'm really excited. They're as level across as I can make old used railroad ties. I mean, they're not going to be absolutely perfect, but they're pretty darn good. And I'm happy with them. The next part of this project is either going to be putting the 5-inch pipes down, or I might start digging the trench for the wires. I haven't decided yet. So hey, thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.